So guys, napadaan tayo. Bili tayo ng sapatos. At ang ina. Kasi bulok na yung sapatos natin guys. O ayan o. Sira-sira na. Bili na lang tayo. Andito naman na tayo. Charot. Wait lang. Ilagay mo. Charot. Ayan. Diyan na lang. Ay hindi nakikita. 36. Hindi naman 36 size. It is too small eh. A little bit bigger than this one.
Yes.
Bigger than this one a bit.
Bigger than
A bit bigger.
39. Oh, the
Too tight. This one is what size?
38.
38 already? Wow, my leg grow up. What? Are you sure?
36. No more.
38?
Không hả?
After very tight, very pain. I walking, then very pain. Never mind. Can
Okay man.
Okay, okay.
这个36。
36. No. I want
哎，
38.
不是，这是37。
Huh?
37。
37? No. Small. Never mind. I take this one. I pay first. Can I wear here? Because I need to change my shoes. Hello, my. Yo, I on the way buy and on the way. Correct or no? I think I do. Huh? Wrongly? Can you do for me the other one? I will use now. I changed my shoes are ugly already.
这个啊
Not nice na. Good job. Throw. Yeah, after very tight, 38, so small, like. Okay. The other one, give me that.